Google is set to unveil its highly anticipated Pixel 9 series on August 13, an event that comes 2 months earlier than usual. This move appears to be an attempt to curb the rampant leaks that typically precede such launches, although it hasn't been entirely successful so far. The event may also feature an introduction of the Pixel Watch 3, promising a comprehensive showcase of the Google's latest technological advancement. But despite the company efforts to keep details under wrap, the Pixel 9 series has been a subject to a series of leaks these past months. Just last week, Vanilla Pixel 9 leaked into hands-on videos, and now it's time for the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL to get the exact same treatment. Notable hands-on videos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL have surfaced online, providing a much better glimpse of the device. These leaks include comparison of the Pixel 9 Pro XL with the Pixel 9, Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, offering a comprehensive look at the upcoming candy bar flagship from the search giant. In this video, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is compared directly to the smaller Pixel 9, highlighting the size difference between the two. Another video pits the Pixel 9 Pro XL against Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing that the Pro is slightly shorter than the Samsung premium handset. Also, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is compared with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which give us a detail which device is going to be shinier on the side. These videos shared by the TikTok account PixoPhone reveals the materials and the build of the prototype suggested different finishes for each model. The Pixel 9 features a glossy rear panel with a matte side, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL has a matte rear with a shiny side panel. This design choice has sparked some debate, with opinion divided on the aesthetic and practicality. Just 2 days earlier, the European prices for entire Pixel 9 family was shared by TBS, which is a French publication with a solid track record and very reliable inside source. The prices for the model will be €900 with 128GB of storage and €1,000 for 256GB variant. The Pixel 9 Pro will be about the same size as the Pixel 9 but will feature more camera sensor. It starts at $1,100 with 128GB of storage and €1,200 with a 256GB and €1,330 if you need the 512GB variant. The top variant will only be offered in obsidian as hazel, while the other two also get porcelain and pink color option. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will start at €1,200 with 128GB of storage, €1,300 for the 256GB variant, $1,430 for 512 and $1,690 for 1TB model. Unfortunately, those pricing trends mirrors what we have seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, introducing a broader industry trend towards higher pricing, which means Apple could follow soon with the upcoming iPhone 16 series in September. Finally, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be the successor to the original Pixel Fold from the last year, and it is expected to build on the lesson learned from its predecessor. Improvement in the hinge design, screen durability, and overall performance are anticipated, aiming to make it stronger contender in the foldable market. And even the Pixel Fold will be available in €1,900 with 256GB of storage, €2,300 for 512GB variant. The Pixel 9 series is featured to distinct design element that set it apart from its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. For instance, it comes with a different material than the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It will be coming with matte finish on the rear with a shiny side panel, while Pixel 9 has a glossy rear panel with a matte side, and these design choices are somewhat unconventional, and it remains to be seen if they will be a part of the final product. The video also shows that the new camera design, which is a departure from the edge-to-edge bar design seen in the previous Pixel models. This is a new design expected to house similar camera components to the Pixel 8 series, and with the Pixel 9 likely to have the main and ultra-wide camera, possibly retaining the 50MP primary and 12MP of ultra-wide sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is also anticipated to carry out the same 50MP main sensor, 48MP of ultra-wide and 48MP of telephoto lens as the Pixel 8 Pro. Camera system has been hallmark of the Pixel brand, and while the sensor configuration may remain similar to the Pixel 8 series, enhancement in the image processing and a new camera feature likely to be the part of the package. The Pixel 9 series will feature varying screen sizes to cater the difference. User preference for vanilla Pixel 9 is expected to have a 6.24-inch display, making it the most compact of the new lineup. The Pixel 9 Pro will come with a slightly larger 6.34-inch, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the larger of the trio, will support a 6.7-inch in display. These size differences are in the leak videos, providing a clear real comparison of the Pixel 9 Pro when placed next to the Galaxy S24 Ultra was shown to be just a bit shorter, which could influence consumer preference based on how they value screen real estate. Many details remain speculative, leaving room for some surprise at the official unveil. The new lineup promised to offer a range of options for consumer, each tailored to different needs and preference. Whether you are interested in the compact Pixel 9, the balanced Pixel 9 Pro, the larger and the powerful Pixel 9 Pro XL, or the innovative Pixel 9 Pro Fold, there is likely something in the new series that will catch your eyes. So stay tuned to the channel as we continue to unveil the mystery surrounding the Google upcoming flagship. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notification, and I will see you guys in the next one.